Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
To determine which Moen shower cartridge you need, you'll embark on a systematic investigation that prevents frustration and ensures a leak-free repair. The first crucial step is to identify the type of Moen faucet you have, as Moen has several distinct cartridge designs corresponding to different valve systems. Begin by observing your shower handle configuration. Is it a single-handle faucet, or does it have separate hot and cold handles? Single-handle Moen faucets typically utilize either a Moentrol, Posi-Temp, or a newer 1255 series cartridge, each designed for specific temperature and flow control mechanisms. Posi-Temp valves, for instance, maintain a consistent water temperature even if pressure fluctuates elsewhere in the house, often identifiable by a smooth, predictable temperature rotation. Moentrol valves, on the other hand, allow you to control both water volume and temperature independently with a single handle, usually by pulling out for volume and rotating for temperature. Assess handle functionality for initial cartridge design system assessment. Once you've made an initial assessment based on the handle's functionality, the next vital step is to remove the handle and the escutcheon plate, the decorative trim plate, against the wall. This will expose the valve body and, most importantly, the cartridge itself. Be gentle during this process. Often, a small set screw holds the handle in place, which you'll need to loosen with an Allen wrench. After removing the handle, the trim plate is usually held by a few screws. With these components off, you can visually inspect the cartridge. Visually inspect the exposed cartridge, noting its color, shape, and material. Moen cartridges are often made of brass, plastic, or a combination. The common 1222 Posi-Temp cartridge, for example, is typically gray plastic with a flat stem, while the older 1200/1225 Moentrol cartridges often have a brass body or a distinct shape. The newer 1255 cartridge is also plastic but has a unique, more compact design. If a visual inspection isn't immediately conclusive, look closely for any identifying numbers or markings on the cartridge body itself. Sometimes, the cartridge part number is molded directly into the plastic or stamped onto the metal. If you can't find a number on the cartridge, examine the valve body behind the cartridge. Moen sometimes stamps model numbers or series indicators directly onto the brass valve housing, which can be a direct clue. Another excellent resource is the Moen website's parts diagrams, or their Identify Your Part tool. If you can provide them with a photo of your faucet or even describe its appearance, their database can often pinpoint the correct cartridge. Knowing the approximate age of your faucet can also narrow down the options significantly, as Moen updates its cartridge designs periodically. Older Moentrol systems, pre-1990s, might use the 1200 or 1225 series, while more modern single-handle systems predominantly use the 1222, Posi-Temp, or 1255, single-handle volume and temperature integrated cartridges. The 1222 is by far the most common in modern Moen showers. Always compare your visual findings with product images online to confirm. If you're still unsure, taking clear photos of your exposed valve and cartridge to a local plumbing supply store or contacting Moen's customer service directly can provide definitive answers. They are experts in their products and can often identify the correct part from a few good pictures, saving you time and ensuring you buy the right replacement the first time. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more helpful home repair tips.